Actually, I started doing this 3 years ago in Anne Arundel County Public Schools, and when this job opportunity became available, and since I live in Charles County, it was great. The thing that I most love about it is just working with the families, working with the students and seeing those successes as we work together and providing those resources and supports for them.
Community school coordinator is somebody who collaborates with an already established school team to help provide wraparound services at the school. Wraparound services include access to food, access to health care, help for families to find jobs, refer families to local care teams or therapists or counselors. We gather all of that information through our needs assessment survey that we distribute the first year that we're here, and then we work on an implementation plan and we carry it out.
That's the best help.
So our needs assessment showed that food insecurity was one of the top needs here. And with Oasis Grocery and Schlegel Farms, I've been able to work out partnerships where we use community school funding to help pay for produce and fresh meats and items for the families. And a lot of our items also come from local churches, different organizations.
We couldn't do this job without collaborating with our partners, with our staff and our organizations and agencies to provide supports and services and resources to our families in need. So it's very imperative that we work together.
We also oversee extended learning opportunities and enrichment opportunities. We also help with attendance and PBIS to incentivize students to be excited to come to school.
So today we're doing our spring carnival. We're just giving our students the opportunity to come out, enjoy the festivities, to build relationships with their peers, with our staff. And so just making sure that they feel pride in our school. We're showing them that we appreciate them, and we also appreciate their successes that they've made here at Thomas Stone High School.
So how a school is identified to be a community school is based on their FARMS rate, which is the free and reduced meals rate, and that is how schools are identified to be a community school. Most schools that become community schools are already Title I schools. I think the biggest piece about a community school in my role is that I have to collaborate with all of the stakeholders and not just come in with what I think is best for the school, but I really need to listen to the community and listen to the students and the staff just to see what they feel the needs are.
With elementary school, they're kind of interested in mostly everything that you're trying to offer. The parents are more engaged at that level as well. However, in a high school, you have to make sure that you're putting in the correct type of programming that they're going to actually participate in, because if they're not interested in it, they're not going to participate in it. And you know, teenagers, they have a lot of opinions and they have huge personalities, and it's great because we can get actually insight as to what they're actually interested in doing.
I think the best part of doing this job is that it's for the greater good.
When we're doing things like this, and that you see that the parents or the students are excited and taking advantage of all the opportunities that we're here to provide to them. So that's when I really show gratitude and I feel excited about everything.
And seeing things come together and letting our families know that schools and our school genuinely cares for them and their well-being as a whole. I love waking up every morning and coming to work.